Oh, we need a permit to
Di naman
sell.
naman dahil sa pinapaalis ka. Mag-iingat ka lang.
Said just be careful, Totoy. You mean business, brother. Alright.
Balot.
The music's changed.
Balot.
There's
si
probably
Charot.
someone coming.
Balot. Balot, balot.
I hear weird crisp sound on my...
Balot. Balot.
Bro, it's always the musics that...
Oh, what the fuck?
Ayun Sorry kung nagulat kita.
What the fuck? Lola, what are you doing? Lola Madonna, bro.
Gusto ko lang naman bumili ng balot at chicharon.
I'll give it to you for free.